we're here at D3D Live. First time for 3 years. COVID didn't allow us to attend over the last couple of years, but we've always attended D3D Live. It's a really specific and popular event for us to attend. So we're here representing ourselves at SCAN, obviously in partnership with NVIDIA. So we're showing our 3XS workstations as part of our Pro Graphics business unit. So our bespoke workstations that we deliver into many of our customers that attend this event. And also Omniverse and our cloud derivatives. That's the future. We're delivering it now. Proof of concept to all our customers, and we've had some really healthy debate and conversation already with our customers around proof of concept for these two solutions.
We're here today showing our latest GPUs from the Ampere series. We're also showing NVIDIA Omniverse for collaboration, which is a tool for collaborative workflows for engineering, for simulation and digital twins.
It's always positive. D3D Live is always a popular event. Of course, we work with the AEC and D3D magazines as well. We deliver an awful lot of advertisements through those, so it's always well received. The clients we keep, we have many of our existing customers here, but it's great to see those. The university students as well. We've spoken to a number of students today about coming to work for SCAN when they finish the final year, which is always great. A lot of design-centric syllabus is delivered through Sheffield University here as well. It's going to be a big year for Pro Graphics. We've introduced new business unit management into it, Emily Fairclough, so she's going to be running Pro Graphics alongside Pro Video, which is really good news. So as part of B2B, Emily's here with us today as well, speaking to many of our customers.
It's always exciting to be partnered with SCAN. They have a lot of really interesting projects at all different kinds of levels, whether that's Pro Graphics, Pro Video, the AI, HPC, and a lot of collaboration between the teams. Again, a lot of it is around the latest GPU workflow, and there's a lot of overlap between the different technologies. Things like NVIDIA Omniverse is definitely a platform that is spanning both the software requirements and also the hardware collaboration between the different teams. So really, really exciting times.